Tired of staring at a blank Tableau canvas? Then let's explore how Tableau Accelerators can transform your data analysis workflow, turning hours of dashboard creation into minutes of insightful exploration. First, open Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. For this example, we'll be using Tableau Public. Once open, you'll land on the Tableau Public gallery. Navigate to the Accelerators section. It's typically found on the left-hand side or in the center of the screen. Here you'll find a library of pre-built dashboards designed for various industries and data types. Browse through the options or use the search bar to find an accelerator relevant to your data. For example, let's select the Sales Performance Accelerator. You'll see a preview of the dashboard. Take a moment to review the visualizations and determine if it aligns with your analysis needs. If it looks promising, click on Use Accelerator. Tableau will then open the accelerator with sample data. Now it's time to connect your own data. Click the Edit Data Source button. You'll be prompted to select your data source. This could be an Excel file, a database, or any other supported format. Once your data is connected, Tableau will attempt to automatically map your fields to the accelerator's required fields. Review the mappings and manually adjust them as needed to ensure your data is correctly interpreted. Make sure fields like date, sales, product category, etc. are appropriately mapped. With your data mapped, Tableau will populate the dashboard with your information. Explore the different tabs and visualizations to gain immediate insights. You can customize the dashboard further by adding filters, modifying calculations, or adjusting the layout to suit your specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully used a Tableau Accelerator to quickly analyze your data, saving time and uncovering valuable trends. Explore different accelerators and unlock the power of pre-built dashboards in Tableau.